What would you do if you won a lottery ticket by chance? Well, today I have that lottery ticket for you. Just imagine, at least for once, you could change your lifestyle. You could fulfill your all long lost desires. No, I am not kidding. Normally, a highly professional or skilled person is required for that task, but after following this strategy, I am going to share it with you. You would be able to make a huge amount even when you are a complete beginner. You don't need any skills or previous experience. You do not need money to invest, and no need for knowledge. But before we start our very special video, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, where I used to share the multiple easiest methods to make money online in 2023. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any updates. And don't worry, you would do this actual work by yourself. How amazing is that? You just need 3 simple things. Number 1, smartphone, laptop, or whatever you have. Number 2, a stable internet connection. Number 3, right direction to move on. Now first you have to open your internet browser on your smartphone, laptop, PC, whatever you have. Open Google and search for Fiverr.com. I will paste the website's link in the description box so you can directly jump on the website without any hassle. A global internet marketplace for independent contractors is called Fiverr. The platform of Fiverr connects freelancers or sellers with individuals or organizations seeking to hire or buyers. Getting a professionally designed business card to help with HTML, JavaScript, and CSS are just a few of the many services offered on Fiverr. Website design, social media management, proofreading, and copywriting, and resume writing are among the Fiverr gigs with the highest pay rates. When the company was established in Tel Aviv in 2010, all tasks had a $5 asking price, hence the moniker Fiverr. These days, a lot of vendors demand considerably higher prices, and the website is steadily bringing in significant cash for its freelancers. Open the website and take a look at the firms they have provided to make money. This website is 100% free and legit. This is one of the best platforms to make money online. The website's interface is super easy. First of all, search for proofreading gigs. Take a look at the top 10 gigs and read their gigs and descriptions. Does it require more knowledge of English? Technically, yes, but if you follow my strategy, you don't need any skill at all. However, I will show you a tool that will correct all the errors and mistakes in any article for absolutely free. You can create a free account for that purpose. You have to enter your Gmail or some basic information, your first name, your last name, and a unique password. There are 2 types of people on this website, that are buyers and sellers. Now I want you to type proofreading. Now you can see that there are a lot of proofreading gigs. Explore them all. You have to create a gig exactly as they did. Remember one thing, you can create 7 gigs from one account. It's obvious that you need to be fluent in a language to proofread any article. You need to have a strong grip on the language, but here I have a trick for you. After following this super secret strategy, you will be able to make thousands of dollars by just sitting at home. I have a tool that will do all the work for you. You will deliver that error-free work to the client, and you will get paid. That is Grammarly, American cloud-based typing aid. Grammarly. It examines problems in English writing, spelling, grammar, punctuation, clarity, engagement, and delivery, finds instances of plagiarism, and offers corrections for the mistakes found. Users can also alter their language's style, tone, and context according to their preferences. In Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and any other website you use, Grammarly enables error-free writing, even when sending texts. So, as you can see, Grammarly offers some paid options or packages too, but you don't have to buy anything. This is a 100% free and non-paid version that does all the things that you wanted. You will paste the client's article or blogs, whatever he gives you, into Grammarly, and this will show you all the errors of punctuation, spelling, grammar, and sentence structure, each and everything, and then you will just tap on the error and it will be corrected automatically, and then you can easily send it to the client. You just have to create your gigs just like them for proofreading. You can follow the whole process on the smartphone too. So, isn't it great that you would be able to utilize the time even if you are waiting in a waiting area of a clinic or bank or anywhere? You would use that time that we usually waste by scrolling Facebook, Instagram, or sometimes by observing people. You would be able to make $100 per day. The more time you work, the more money you will get. You can see that you can get paid through PayPal. They offer PayPal payment, which is great because it's the most convenient withdrawal method. I hope you are following all the steps because that way by the end of this video, you will have everything ready and set up to start making money. I hope you like this video, guys, if you like this method. Guys, see you with a brand new informative video. Till then, goodbye.